Hey Jim, thanks for having me and doing a feature on my car today. My name is Paul Kazmarek, and this is my 1964 Pontiac Tempest Custom Convertible. I recently purchased this car a few months ago from Colorado. It's spent its entire life in the state of Colorado. It's in great shape for being almost 60 years old. Whoever had it in the past did a wonderful job of taking care of it. Obviously had to be garage kept in the climate of Colorado. It's mostly a totally stock car, with the exception of it looks like the transmission might have been replaced over the years. I've been doing some upgrades to it, such as aluminum radiator, carburetor, ignition system, trying to upgrade it to make it a little more drivable. This is the first time in 40 years that I've had a car that is this old, and it took quite a while to get used to driving it again. I kind of forgot how different it was compared to today's cars. But the game plan for the car is to keep it stock and original as possible, because my thoughts are, you know, being 60 years old, whoever had this car in the past did a great job of taking care of it, and I don't think I would really modify it. I think I would try to keep it as original as possible, just out of respect for them. The first couple that originally bought the car, which I do have the original paperwork, had it for 21 years. So she runs really good. It's a beautiful car, beautiful color combination.
Yes, it is.
And I think what I might do is put some Redline tires on it and the original Rally 1 wheels eventually to give it more of a stock look. But she's a lot of fun, and she runs great now, and my wife and I really enjoy it. It's great putting the top down and having the hot Florida sun beat on you. But I do want to do a shout out to my guys at the Full Tilt Garage in Tampa, who helped me maintain it, and they do a fantastic job.
Awesome, absolutely. Great. All right, thanks, Paul. Thanks for bringing it out.
Thanks for having me, Jim. Appreciate it.